So the task we're talking about now is our final emergency system power test. First off, let's talk about hazards, cautions, and PPE. For PPE, make sure you're in your inspections coveralls, steel toe boots, hard hat, and possibly need your earring protection as you're going to be possibly in the EDG space with an emergency generator running. You also want to be aware that you could be around an emergency switchboard with live high voltage power supplied as well. So right now I'm standing in the emergency switchboard space. Right here I've got my high voltage side and I have a low voltage 220 side. This represents the final emergency power which will be supplied by the emergency generator. Emergency generator testing will involve us and the crew closely coordinating to make sure that we conduct a full load test of the emergency switchboard while not interrupting crew or cargo operations depending on what's going on. Being aware that by dropping power, we will cause the entire ship to shut down. Any cargo ops, any cranes, any elevators, everything will stop until we come up on emergency power. What we have here is the final emergency power. It includes all of our vital system power. It includes steering pumps, fire pumps, bilge pumps. On here, we have elevator service. Over here, we've got emergency lighting. We've got all of our radio power. So it all comes up on emergency power. To test this, we'll have the crew either open the power to the switchboard, or they may have a test function where they can simulate a loss of power, which saves wear and tear on the breakers. What we'll do is once they trip the system, the emergency generator has 45 seconds to do several things. One, to sense that there is a loss of potential, electrical potential, or that they lost power, start and come up to full rated speed and rated, all the parameters come up to make sure it's good to go. Once it does and it senses that everything's good, it will then automatically close and energize the emergency switchboards. To summarize, we witnessed the final emergency system power test. It involved us verifying the emergency switchboard loads, the transitional switchboard loads, and also actually having the test be conducted. This involved the ship's crew actually blacking out the ship, witnessing the emergency generator come online and take full load within 45 seconds, and then powering the emergency switchboard and verifying that the systems on board the switchboard were actually powered. If anything I covered you have questions about, or anything you'd like to know anything more about, write down your questions and make sure you ask your local VO when we're done.